Hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we're doing candle review and waxes. So it's going to be a quick one. We're going to try to go through it really quickly. I have several candles from the Dollar Tree, so to jump right in, this is not Dollar Tree brand. You can tell by how it looks, what it says. But it's a Flashpoint Candle in Spring Dew. These are hand-poured artisan candles. Cute packaging. I think this would make perfect gifts. It was in Spring Dew. The scent was amazing, so I was pretty bummed when it kept smothering itself out. This smells so good. Done all kinds of different things. This candle just will not go. I have another one in my lineup too that's like that. I love this. I would repurchase another one of these just to see if it smells awesome. The packaging is there. It's on point. So I have from their Rose collection that they have sometimes, the Orchid Black Currant from the Rose collection. These are 3 ounces. This thing, it smells good in the packaging. It didn't have a throw though. It did burn nicely all the way down. So I was disappointed in this one. The next one is always a favorite of mine when I can find it, and it's Strawberries and Cream from the Old Williamsburg Scented Candle Company. And they come in the cute mason jars, and if you tied a little bow around this, put it in a gift basket, it would make such a cute gift. They always usually burn so nicely down. As you can tell, it burned all. It smells so good and so yummy. If you like fruity smells, definitely try that one. This candle also kept smothering itself out. It's just a lavender scented candle, and I think this might have been from the Family Dollar. I'm not entirely sure. It would not. I kept digging the wick out, reburning it, and it just eventually just quit. After a while, I get tired of fooling with them, so then, you know, here we are. Nice throw though. Super high potency of a scent. Next candle, this comes from the Dollar General. I would definitely repurchase this. It's a limited edition scent though, and rosewater and jasmine. It says it's refreshing and calming, and it's naturally infused scented candle with essential oil. 16 ounces, and I believe I paid $5 for this candle. It burnt so great. It had such a great throw. It had a double wick, and if you like floral scents, like high frequency kind of scents, floral wise, this candle was a good one for that. Hopefully they'll bring back this scent in the future. Moving on to waxes, I have 2 Glade Waxes here. I have Maple Tree and Red Apple Bakery. I love the Red Apple Bakery. I've had these for a few years, so that's why the packaging is discolored from the waxes inside. But I hadn't got around to finishing them up, and I don't know if Glade makes waxes anymore, but I don't know that they should, because I liked the wax. These are not soy wax either. They pop out of the burner very nice and easily, so not soy. The red apple one, I really liked it, but it was just a basic apple kind of scent. The Maple Tree Inn only filled the room for like an hour or so, and then the scent completely dissipated, and it wasn't very super like bakery kind of scent. Like in my mind, I felt like that's what it should be. It was not. So I don't think I'll repurchase Glade Waxes in the future unless it's something really special and that I absolutely love the scent, because it wasn't that great. From Scentsationals, I have Aquaholic, and this is eucalyptus and sea salt, and this was a very nice, strong, kind of fresh scent. It smelled so good. I definitely would repurchase this one next year, because these are limited edition, and that one was. So it won't probably be back till next year, but it was a good one. Had a very nice throw. Now, also from Scentsationals, I have Happy Home. It says the in-laws are coming. This one I was fairly disappointed in because it didn't have a great throw. Like, the scent of this one is, there's definitely a lemon in there. I can definitely smell lemon, maybe a little vanilla. Something else that I can't pinpoint down, but it smelled really nice, like a clean, fresh kind of citrus kitchen, really. So in the packaging, it smells fantastic. In the home, when you're burning it, it smells good for a little while, just like that Maple Tree Inn from Glade, but it dissipates very quickly. Like, it's over in no time. It's very faint too when it's burning. From Better Homes and Gardens, I have the limited edition lemon pumpkin shortbread. I loved this one. It's a nice lemon scent, and it's more lemon than pumpkin. So if you like lemon scents and you find this scent this year, definitely pick it up. You will really like it. They used to have a lemon candle too with this that you could pair with it, and I had that too. And one of my favorite go-to scents from Better Homes and Gardens is the spicy cinnamon stick. Every time they have this out at fall and winter, I grab, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 of these, and I recently found it in the value pack. I've already used it. This is one of the strongest scents they have to offer, in my opinion. If you like cinnamon, I definitely highly recommend it, but it is so strong, the spicy cinnamon one. I recommend only using 1 brick at a time, or 1 cube at a time, because it's that strong. Yes, definitely recommend this one. Definitely try this one out. Mulled cider, which is from Mainstays, by the way. Their berry cheesecake from Better Homes and Gardens, oh my, and the regular cinnamon, absolutely divine. So I hope you enjoyed this candle and wax review. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Check that description box if you haven't already for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.